Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I am sharing with you my favorite dip recipes for this summer. I've tried some of the viral TikTok dips and they are so good. So I'm gonna share those with you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing with you all of my recipes and everything that I've been making. So all of these recipes are really awesome summer dip ideas. So this is going to be the TikTok viral taco dip. So it has very simple ingredients, sour cream. I'm going to use the whole tub of this sour cream. So this makes a big serving. I have 1 can of Rotel, and I like the one with the diced green chilies. I have 1 packet of taco seasoning. You can do mild or spicy. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I like the finely shredded cheddar cheese in dips like this. But I had to make this viral TikTok recipe because it just went crazy and I had to give it a try. And it is definitely really easy and really good. I love easy dips, and this one, it's delicious. I serve it with tortilla chips, or you can also serve it with some Fritos corn chips as well, but definitely a huge hit. So this is called boat dip. It is cream cheese and sour cream. It's 1 cup of sour cream. I have a can of corn that I will drain, and I just love dips with corn in them. They are definitely my favorites. Some diced green chilies. I have a red bell pepper I'm going to dice up, and a packet of ranch seasoning. This dip is another huge crowd pleaser, so perfect for summertime. My cream cheese is softened a little bit, so it's easy to mix in here with my other ingredients. But another huge hit. I serve this one as well with Fritos corn chips, or tortilla chips are perfect with this. So it's kind of funny doing corn chips with a dip that has corn in it, but it makes it very delicious. So you will love this one. I'm gonna make some guacamole, super simple, and I love guacamole. Avocados are our favorite. We eat a ton of avocados in our family on lots of different things. So guacamole is one of our favorites. I have this fire roasted salsa. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of it, and it gives a really awesome flavor. It's got some diced onion in there and just a fire roasted flavor. It's really good. So any kind of your favorite salsa, just 2 tablespoons. I'm adding in some onion powder and garlic powder to taste, and then I will just mash this up after I add in the juice of 2 limes. The limes will help it not go brown so quickly, which avocado definitely does if you store it for a little bit as guacamole. So I am going to add a little bit of lime, great flavor for the guacamole as well. So I will mash this up. I'm just going to use my fork. You can use any kind of masher you have, but it mashes up really easily. It is really good. Serve with your favorite tortilla chips, and this is just a great crowd pleaser. You can even serve with veggie slices as well to keep it low carb if you'd like. I'm going to do another dip that has corn in it in my crock pot. I love crock pot dips. They are so easy. I have a brick of cream cheese. I have sour cream. I'm going to use 1 cup of sour cream. And then I am actually going to use 2 cans of corn. So I'm going to double this because I'm using my big crock pot. It's a 7-quart crock pot. So I'm going to be adding in 2 cans of corn, and it's going to make a big serving, but it is so good. You can use diced green chilies, or I've used in this one before diced jalapenos as well. It gives it a really good kick. I have Colby Jack cheese. I'm going to use 1 cup. And it's the finely shredded Colby Jack. So I like using the finely shredded in dips, like I mentioned before. It helps melt them easier. But I'm going to give this a little bit of a stir, and then I'm going to cook it. You can cook on high for 1 to 2 hours or on low for 2 to 4 hours and just stir occasionally. You can serve this one with your favorite chips as well. We just love chip and dip in our family and all the different functions that we go to. So I'm always having new appetizer ideas to share with you because I love making them for all the different functions that we go to. Giving this a stir, it's nice and creamy. And like I said, this one is a huge hit. Last time I made it, I just got so many compliments. Something that we make a lot in our family is onion dip. It is very easy, 2 ingredients. So I have my sour cream and my Lipton onion soup mix. I just make it right in the container, and then it's really easy to stir and to add more into your chip and dip platter as it gets eaten. And this goes super duper fast in our family, at least. So we serve this with Ruffles potato chips are definitely the best. Lay's potato chips are also pretty good with this, but my favorite is the wavy Ruffles chips. So this one is so good. It's perfect for summertime, a nice cold dip, and super duper easy. I'm going to do a spinach artichoke dip in my crock pot. I love using the crock pot because it does not heat the house up for a good summertime dip, and then it keeps your dip warm throughout the whole function that you're at, and it just is delicious that it stays warm. So I have my bag of frozen chopped spinach. I'm going to use 1 brick of cream cheese, and this one is really just has so much flavor. I absolutely love it. I could eat spinach dip all the time. I have mozzarella cheese. It's half of a bag, so it's 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And I have Parmesan cheese as well. Lots of cheeses in this one. I am a huge cheese fan, all kinds. And I'm adding in 1 cup of this shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add in some garlic as well. And then I'm going to add in plain Greek yogurt for this. You can do sour cream or you can do plain Greek yogurt. So I'm doing 1 cup of the plain Greek yogurt, and this is just makes it a little bit less calories and still gives it that really good creamy and really good flavor as well. So if you're trying to substitute, make it a little bit healthier, definitely Greek yogurt plain is really good in these. I have artichoke hearts that I have drained, and I'm going to dice them up into some smaller pieces because artichoke hearts are really big. So I'm going to dice those up and add them into my crock pot, and this makes a really big serving. So if you're looking to feed a crowd, this one is definitely great because it just makes a lot. But it is so good, there will not be leftovers, I'm sure of it. You can serve this one with some sourdough bread pieces are really good. I like to use any kind of chips, but also little pretzel pieces are great. The thin pretzels. And of course, veggie pieces as well. Bell peppers are really good with these dips. If you want to cut them into some strips, really great dipping bell peppers into this dip. So I'm going to cook this one on high for about 2 hours. I'm going to stir occasionally, but it comes out so good, nice and creamy, and I just love anything with spinach as well. So this one is really great. I hope you enjoyed all of these dip recipes. They're all perfect for summer. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day.